Centripetal force in motion. Damn it.
We're out of school, man. You are moving.
Whee.
You know, it's not bad.
Yeah, well, I don't want to.
I don't know.
I want to play in these things.
Okay. Good job. You're still. You want to push number 2?
No, I'm fine.
I got you. Is that a second one? Third one?
Whoa! Ooh, the world's spinning. Oh, we should have a contest.
Try to film something.
Wait, I want to run first.
Because that means I have to run after.
The hill. Hey. I didn't. What are you doing?
I'm filming this.
Allergies. Okay, I'm good. I'm stable. Mostly you keep shifting to my left. Next video!
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm filming you, whatever it is you're doing though.
Rock climbing this summer?
So Eryn's an expert. We're gonna videotape her rock climbing. Oh, that was so hard. But she made it to the top of the summit. Very impressive. Let's take a look at Katelyn. What's she doing? Hanging out, looking cute.
This was a bar thing I could do.
Cool gymnastics things. Oh, poor baby.
Ow! Random bars in my hair. Don't look.
10 out of 10. Yay!
Okay, so my total fear
Does the
is,
tire
like,
swing?
I can't do this.